Okay, what's up everyone? It's Reelphatties here. This is some freshly caught king salmon of mine. What I'm gonna go ahead and do today is I'm gonna show you guys how to cook some king salmon at home in your oven. So first of all, I'm gonna go through what I'm gonna do here. You're gonna need a full stick of butter. You're gonna need a shot glass. You're gonna need a beer. This is a Coors banquet. This is a lighter beer. You can use heavier beers if you want more of a hoppy flavoring. I'm gonna go ahead and use the beer can chicken seasoning by Weber and some garlic sauce. And then you're gonna go ahead and need some brown sugar. So what you're gonna first do is go ahead and take out your stick of butter. Go ahead and get this open. Go ahead and get it in the microwave here. While that's cooking in the microwave, what you're gonna go ahead and do is grab your salmon. Go ahead and get it in your pan. While you're waiting for your butter to continue to melt, you're gonna go ahead and open your can of beer. This is why you need the shot glasses. You only need one shot of beer. Go ahead and let that settle. While that's settling, what you're gonna wanna do is grab your little glass here. Go ahead and pour your garlic salt in there. Grab your butter because it's done. So you got your garlic salt in there, and you're gonna go ahead and take your beer can chicken seasoning. Go ahead and add that in right there. Then you're gonna go ahead and just take just a little bit of brown sugar, just about that much in a spoon. Go ahead and get it all in there, mix it all around. You want to really get that brown sugar mixed up in there. So we're gonna go ahead, now the foam is settled, we're gonna go ahead and tap that off, mix it in with our butter. Go ahead and let that sit for a second. Well, this is, get that all stirred up. Then you're gonna go ahead and stir up your butter and beer. And what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and come over here to your salmon, drizzle it on top like that. Really coat this thing down. You're basically frying it in this. Like that. And what you're gonna want to do is come over here and get your seasoning all on top of that. Go ahead and add some more. Some more garlic salt in there. Then what you're going to want to do is go ahead and take this and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Then we'll go and put it in the oven at 275 degrees for about 10 minutes. After it's been sitting for about 20 minutes, what you're going to want to do is get some of this butter that's around it, drizzle it on top. This is going to get a nice golden brown top on it. It's gonna get nice and buttery flakiness. The good stuff you know you want. So once you get it all on there, we're gonna go ahead and get that in the oven. So the oven's already at temperature. Go ahead and set an alarm for 10 minutes. It won't be done in 10 minutes, but we just want to check on it. All right, go ahead and do that. So the 10-minute alarm is going off, so we're going to go ahead and check out this salmon. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and look at those bad boys. They're not quite ready. They need probably another 10 more minutes. So we're going to come over here and we're going to go ahead and put on 10 more minutes, then we'll be back and check on them. Go ahead and grab your digital thermometer. Go ahead and turn it on. Go ahead and open up your oven here. Go ahead and poke it into some of the salmon there. Let's see. 145 is what salmon has to be when it's done. Doesn't quite look as flaky as what I want it to be, so we're gonna go ahead and let it cook for another 5 more minutes. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and pull the salmon out. Should look something like that when you're done. And dinner is served. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.